Hi, I'm Rich Breckner from Inside HPC. I'm here at the Nexsan booth with Adrian Wojnowski. Did I say that
Yes,
right?
sir.
All right, right. And today we're here at Nexsan, and can you tell us what's going on at your booth?
Well, today we're demonstrating an assortment of products within our current shipping portfolio at Nexsan. We have our SATA Boy product line, which is a 14-disc front-loading chassis. We have our Beast product line, which is a 42-disc front-loading chassis. And we also have demonstration units on our 60-bay expansion modules within our portfolio. And on the opposite corner from our booth, we're demonstrating our DATABeast product.
So tell me more about the DATABeast. I've read about this, but
The DATABeast is our block level virtualization solution, really geared towards large scale implementations with fiber channel, and it also has NAS or file level capabilities.
so is this typically more of an enterprise play? Because you're here at an HPC show. How would an HPC customer utilize something like that?
It's an excellent question. It is an absolute enterprise play. The DATABeast is a 5.9 solution. It is very highly available, no single point of failure, and it has a lot of functionality and capabilities that enable us to be able to provide synchronous replication as well as asynchronous replication and a lot more sophisticated capabilities that are currently not on board in the individual storage chassis themselves.
So, how have your customers reacted to the DATABeast? What are they coming back at you with? What's the feedback?
There's a lot of interest in that particular category. There are people in this segment, in this customer segment, that have come to this show that have created their own storage virtualization solutions using basic storage building blocks. And many of them have a desire to maybe get out of the business of building all of their own toolkit to service their HPC clusters or various other areas within their environment. And the DATABeast is an excellent solution that brings that to the table, allows us to take everything under management and just provide volumes, block level volumes or file level access into that infrastructure. It's all controlled under one single pane of management. So it has a lot of easy to use characteristics, it has a lot of sophisticated capabilities that many of these customers desire, and we bring that to the table in a holistic solution that's designed and supported by Nexsan. It ships out the door with all of the associated infrastructure elements, storage, as well as the management servers and the I/O gateway devices. So it shows up at an end user with everything it needs to run. They simply plug it into their network and they're off and running.
So, if a customer had an existing infrastructure and they saw that they needed to move to the future, that sounds like something that they would want to talk to you guys about.
Absolutely. We have many different ways of satisfying that. Let's continue talking about the DATABeast as an example. The DATABeast has an ability to be able to handle third-party storage devices. We can proxy data into the DATABeast from an existing, let's say an older storage infrastructure or another vendor's infrastructure. We can proxy connectivity into the DATABeast and then provide migration tasks to lay that data and that information down onto Nexsan storage. It also has an ability to be able to proxy data out of it as well for those people that want to move data in and out of a solution like that. So it is not a locked-in solution, which you can find very often in this segment, that once you have your information in there, it's very difficult to get that out and not run within this infrastructure. We've provided that flexibility from both directions, and our customers do appreciate that.
Okay. So if someone was interested, how do they engage and learn more?
The standard way of dealing or communicating with Nexsan, we have obviously a presence on the internet, and you can go to our website, which is www.nexsan.com. You can fill out a contact us or contact me form there. We also have a long list of resellers across the country and across the world, which is our go-to-market model. We do business through our partner base globally, so many of our resellers, they're very familiar with this technology and they can articulate it and they can engage resources within Nexsan if it is appropriate and it is required. So there's a lot of avenues to get that information off of the web from us or through our partner community.
Okay, well, thanks. Okay, I think that's all we have today from the Nexsan booth at SC10. Tune in for more news and information on high-performance computing.